In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the RTC connecting issue in Discord. This problem is usually caused by network-related issues, but there are several methods you can try to resolve it. First, open the Discord app and click the settings icon in the bottom left corner. From there, scroll down the left sidebar and select Voice and Video. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Reset Voice Settings, then confirm by pressing OK. After that, close Discord completely. Open the Start menu, search for Task Manager, and launch it. In the search bar at the top, type Discord, then right-click any Discord processes and select End Task to fully close them. Next, make sure you're not connected to any VPNs or proxies. If you are, disconnect from them. If you're not using one, you can actually try connecting to a VPN, as this sometimes fixes the issue. Now, go back to the Start menu, search for CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the window, type the command ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears your network cache. Once it's done, close the window and relaunch Discord to see if the issue is fixed. If the problem continues and you own the server, go to your server, right-click the voice channel you're trying to use, and select Edit Channel. Scroll down to Region Override, change it from Automatic to another region, and click Save Changes. Another option is to reset your network settings. Close Discord, open the Start menu, go to Settings, then select Network and Internet. Scroll down to Advanced Network Settings, click on Network Reset, and then choose Reset Now. If none of these methods work, the issue might be on Discord's side. Open your browser, search for Discord server status, and check the official status page to see if there are any outages. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the RTC connecting issue in Discord.